Floral Nail Art designs. Whether you prefer dainty daisies, elegant roses, or vibrant sunflowers, the options are endless. They are limitless. These designs can range from intricate and delicate to simple and charming, making them ideal for spring and summer also, but suitable for any season. Talk about French manicure. We start our journey into the world of nail art with classic French manicure. This timeless design represents sophistication and simplicity. It features a base coat of nude or pale pink and a striking white tip, resulting in a clean, polished, and elegant look. Its versatility makes it a popular choice, suitable for both formal events and everyday wear. Nail designs are a part of fashion and style. They can complement your outfit, create a theme, or set a trend. Staying updated on the current nail design trends can be an enjoyable way to stay connected with fashion industry and the beauty industry also. Nail designs are particularly important during special occasions and celebrations. They add a festive touch to events like weddings, birthday parties, and other collaborations. With a vast range of colors, tools, techniques, and other patterns that are available in the beauty industry. Our nails become a canvas for creative ideas. We can choose the right color and put them on your nails.